Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Ashur Anam. Welcome to Heal Yourself, Heal the World series. Today, we will focus on healing of your future. It's day 9. I really hope you enjoyed the other days and you can continue to go through those days and the journeys after you go through the 10 days of Heal Yourself, Heal the World series. As you play with the energies more, and especially as you tune into the healing wish vortex and use it daily, it just run the energies through you, maybe through your family, through your loved ones, then through the planet. You will actually create a stronger connection with the rainforest and the healing wish vortex. And it will really help you to amplify the energies when you run them on your own. So sometimes when we do this together, I've heard a lot that you notice the energy is much stronger. You can do the same, it just needs practice. And when we come together as a group, we can often amplify the energies. So for that reason, when we go through journeys together and focus on inner healing or focus on healing others or focus on healing the planet, we really help to make a difference. So as we go through the biggest global shift that we have, we are aware of, where so many people have stayed home, and then Earth has regenerated, massively. And we want to make sure that we continue our lifestyle when we go back to a new normal or move forward into a new normal, not backwards. We want to make sure that we do things that will help the planet, help the collective. What changes can we make in our daily lives and in our family lives? And what can we teach others? Think about that. How do we help the planet more? How do we become more eco-friendly? How do we have less waste and less trash? Because they end up somewhere, if not at the bottom of the ocean. So let's focus on consciously building a new life as we go through this journey, and especially as we go through this decade and we go through all the energetic shifts. Today, let's focus on bringing in healing for your future. Think about your future timeline, especially this decade, and let's bring in healing energies for yourself, for your health and wellness, for abundance and prosperity, for love and relationships, for inner joy, and for your alignment. Okay. So let's play with these energies and often practice going through the steps, especially if you have the holographic healing gloves. Use the gloves a lot, focusing on enhancing your future and your path, and you can amplify the beneficial energies. Let's begin our day 9 journey and processing to bring in healing for the future. Gently close your eyes, focus on your heart, and begin to breathe in and out. Let's bring up spiraling earth energies from the center of earth. Allow these energies to come up through your lower chakras and your feet for grounding. Let's bring down the spiraling rays of the sun through your higher chakras and your crown. You are inside a vortex between the earth and the sun. Allow the energies to keep spiraling through you, up and down, and gradually get stronger. Let us now journey into the Amazon rainforest. Let's go to the special spot where we have our healing wish vortex. Notice the energies of the vortex seem to be stronger and brighter. Tune into your surroundings. Notice the ground, the trees, the plants, the flowers, the birds. Notice the waterfalls and the streams. Notice the smell. Notice the sounds. Tune into the healing wish vortex. Feel it, see it, hear it, smell it. Think about tasting it. Let the energies spiral through your tongue. Notice with all of your senses. Focus on your heart and focus on your future. Focus on the next 12 months. Then think about the next 2 years and 3 years, the next 5 years, the next 8 years. Think about this decade. Notice your thoughts and feelings about your future. Notice without judgment. Let go of your worries and anxiety. From the healing wish vortex, notice spiraling energies flowing through this decade, going through your path, going through all events that are coming up. And we'll keep moving the energies back and forth through this decade. Let's harmonize the flow of events in advance. Let's raise the vibration. Let's bring in new solutions and possibilities. Let's bring healing energies for the decade to receive a stronger flow of love, joy, harmony, abundance, prosperity, collaboration, and empowerment energies. Notice that your path is lighting up in rainbow colors. Notice rainbow colors are spiraling through every day of this decade. Let's continue to focus on it and let the energies get even stronger. Allow the energies to harmonize for you. Let's breathe in and out deeply and gently a few more times. Let's express our gratitude to all who helped us today. Let's come back to your present moment. Rub your hands together and gently open your eyes. Welcome back. That was powerful, playing with the energy of the decade. So I would recommend going through the journeys over and over again, and especially paying attention to the day 9 also, where you really focus on harmonizing the decade in advance and bringing in a stronger vibration of love, joy, harmony, abundance, collaboration, and other energies. So as you play with the energies, raise your vibration, focus on helping yourself, helping your family members, helping your city, state, helping the country where you are, and then helping the entire planet. So on a regular basis, please spend some time and just focus on shifting the energies on the planet so collectively we can move forward with ease and grace, and we can align more with the ideas about helping the planet, ideas about collaboration, global collaboration, and creating eco-friendly and life-friendly technology, and also going back to nature more for healing and for support and for our everyday lifestyle. So take care, have a magical rest of your day. I will see you for day 10.